What if I say we can able to create a simple data lake, that too in just few minutes? You may be surprised, right? Yes, so this is what we are going to cover as a part of this video. Means we are going to create a simple data lake, and this is the demonstration of the video what we have gone through in the previous couple of sessions. I mean, we have seen what the data lake is all about, what are regions and what are zones, and what is a single region and what is a multi-region. So in this particular video we are going to see just a simple hands-on on how we are going to create a data lake, and also we can demonstrate, means we are going to demonstrate that the Google Cloud service, or one of the Google Cloud service which we are going as a part of this demonstration, provides us an option or the choice to select a single region or to go for the multi regions. So one more important part I would like to clear. I am using Google Cloud storage service to demonstrate this, and this is just to visualize how the data lakes, I mean the simple data lake looks like, and this is not at all a standard data lake structure that everyone should follow. This is just to visualize the things or just to understand the concept behind that, right? And moreover, we are also going to see how regions, how you can select the regions or multi-regions, and for this also I am going to use one of the Google Cloud service, that is Google Cloud Storage. And also I repeat, and let me clarify this, Google Cloud service in Google Cloud Storage service in itself is a massive topic, right? And we are not dealing with Google Cloud service, that is cloud storage right now. For that we have a huge, I mean it's a means we are going through in depth on that service, but the main agenda of this video is to just visualize how data lake looks like, and just see how Google Cloud service provides us to select or to go for a single region or the multi-region. So let's start our demonstration. All right everyone, so this demo is only to help you visualize what a data lake looks like in Google Cloud, and this is not a kind of any production setup or not something you should directly use for practice, right? So the goal is just to understand the concept of how the data lake looks like actually, right? Like we know that a data lake is nothing but a central storage, a storage location where we store all types of data. It could be structured, semi-structured, or unstructured, just like a real lake, right, which collects the water from different streams. It's something like that, right? So now what I will do, I will just go to the menu and I will click on the cloud storage. So basically cloud storage is one of the service which is used to create data lake. So currently we are not dealing anything on cloud storage service as of now, so there is no need to worry anything on this service. Okay, whatever the terminologies, the links, the names, the menus, do not worry at all, because this is altogether a different session itself. Your focus is only on two things. One thing is Google Cloud provide you an option to select, go for I mean it provide you the choice whether you want to go for a single region or multi-region. That this is what we have discussed in our previous sessions, and also we will quickly see how a data lake looks like, just visually. Okay, and here we are not doing any kind of a huge setup of the data lake architecture and so on. So this is just to give you a initial and a very basic feel of the Google Cloud, right? So let's click on create bucket. Right? So again, the naming convention, links button, do not worry at all. So here is a place where we will be giving the name of our data lake. So I can give the name as data lake underscore your, sorry, it's hyphen, your cloud trek -1. You can give any name, right? Perfect. Now here is the important thing. See, like I said, the cloud gives you option to store, to create the resource or to store the data, whether the multi-region or the single region or dual region. Okay, now if I select multi-region, what happens in the background? Right, so I will just select this as a multi-region. It means that, assume in Asia continent, if we have say 10 regions, there are more, right? Let's assume that there are 10 regions in Asia continent. Then whatever the resource you create or whatever the data you upload to Google Cloud, that data is available across all the regions. Right, and hence the word called multi-region. It means that your resource or your data is available throughout the region, right? If I mean, yes, throughout the, I mean, more than one region. It means suppose in Asia we have 10 regions, like say Mumbai, Delhi, Japan, right, or some other regions as well. So if you select this and create any resource, your data will be available across all the regions. If one region fails, your data will be fetched from other regions. So this is what the option of multi-region, and the opposite is a single region. It means, let me go to Asia specific. See, there are so many regions across Asia specific. Now if I select South Asia South 1 Mumbai, and if I create a resource or upload the data, it means that my data or my resource is restricted to only Mumbai's region, not beyond the Mumbai region, right? So this is what the difference between multi-region and single region, and these are the option given by the Google Cloud, not only in this service, but there are so many services in Google Cloud. Like in BigQuery also there are options to go for multi-region or single region, Dataflow, Dataproc, there are so many things. But do not worry at all, you just visualize that yes, Google Cloud gives us the option to choose whether if you want to go for multi-region or single region. That's it. Let's click on, right now I am just selecting a single region because the cost also matter. Means if I select multi-regions, the cost changes, it could be quite I need to pay more. But now I'll just selecting a single region, and I will create a simple data lake for your understanding. Let me click on confirm here, and now before that let me show you a quick picture so that you can get a clear understanding. So this is what we have created, guys. Here right, we have created the data lake. Right now in our lake we don't have any water, right? We have just created an empty area and call it as data lake, and this is the water source, right? These are the water streams coming from different sources. What you need is, you just need a single central area where you can dump all the data coming from different sources, and this is the concept of data lake. Very important for examination point of view as well, right? So let me go to Google Cloud and see that I have created a Google Cloud data lake, and in this data lake there is no water at all, it's just an empty, right? What I will do, before that I will show you yeah, so this is my data, because in real time I cannot replicate all the stuffs coming from different sources, right? So this is the thing I have just created for the demonstration purpose. It means in consumer analytics I have this set of data, in customer survey it's a different resource, I have this set of data, right? So what I'm going to do, I am just going to, it means that all the data coming from these different sources, I am going to hold it in a central repository, and that repository is known as data lake. As simple as that. Okay, so this is just for understanding, and in real world the data lake concept is, it's terribly huge. I mean, it's a big thing. Okay, but let's start with very basic and baby steps, so that at least you will get some idea on how the Google Cloud looks like, at least, right? And because in coming video I will show you how to create the account, set up the account, and we will start each and every service from the scratch, and definitely we are going to create a lot of data lakes in future, right? Perfect. So here it is, and let me just click on upload files, upload folder. You can create a different folder structure or hierarchy, whatever you feel like. First I will just upload it into my data lake, and moreover you can see that data lake can consist of video files, audio files, structured, semi-structured, unstructured, and all kind of mixed data. So let me click on open here, and there we go. I think upload started. Yep. Right, perfect. So all the 4 files uploaded successfully, but in real time, you know what happens? It's a stream of data. It means within few seconds or few minutes, your data lake will be keep on accumulating the huge even gigabytes or terabytes of data, right? So this is just at the beginning. Again, in real project, data lakes follow a layered architecture, like raw, processed, curated zones, and it's a big story, we are going to cover it in coming session. Again, this is just a visualization. Real projects have so many policies, so many restrictions, so many security aspects, so many governance, and so on. Remember this is only to help you visualize what a data lake looks like in Google Cloud, right? I mean, in reality, it involves a lot of other things. So I hope this makes at least some ease, like, first time you are seeing the Google Cloud Console. But don't worry, we are going to cover each and every aspect here. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next session very soon. Thanks.